Hey guys, welcome back to One Man Op Fishing. Mike here. It's been a couple days since I was out last. It's still very windy, so I changed locations. Starting at the location on my property, the lake system along the golf course, and I went out and I got myself another, there it is, shallow runner. Bass colored shallow runner, the proper size. So we're back in action. Last time I was here, I lost it a little further down, and we're going to be heading down that way to see if that bass is still lurking in the shadows for us. If I can pull a bass out of the water with a lure in its mouth from last week, that would be something. So we'll see. But conditions aren't too bad. It's been a little overcast today. It's still pretty damn windy, not as windy as last time, but we'll see what happens. So let's get to it. Yeah. All right, back to our shallow runner. I'm not giving up. I'd like to catch one fish on this. Would be nice. Just one fish. I may have to wait till I get further down though. All right, let's go back to the trick worm. So far, no luck, but got something tapping at it, guys. I feel it. There it is. There we go. Yeah. There we are. Decent fish. Oh, he's full of juice. Come on, darling. Give me here. Give it to me. Come on, give it to me, give it to me. There we go. There we are. Good fish. Oh, very nice. Make sure he didn't splash the camera. Yeah, that's a pound. You can see the mouth, not very big. Maybe 3 fingers, but a nice fat fish. Beautiful. Finally. Oof. Yep, gotta keep it on the bottom. That's where they are. Down low. We won't weigh this fella. All right. Oh. There you go, darling. Okay, we're right back in the spot where I lost that bass. I don't know, last week and a half ago, a couple videos back. Had him right on shore and my knot broke. I was just texting with Joe from Parabellum Fishing, and if you haven't seen his channel, go check it out, Parabellum Fishing. I'll put a link down below for you. He was saying he was having the same problem. So windy that his videos weren't picking up the sound. So he caught a really nice big fish, I guess it was this morning or maybe yesterday, and the wind just drowned out his words. So let's get back to it. If you're enjoying the videos, like, subscribe, and as always, leave me a comment. Let's see if we can catch one more. I'm gonna be here for about another 10 minutes, and then I'm going around the corner. There's that crazy sprinkler that nearly got me. All right, been fishing here, I don't know, 35, 40 minutes. I'm going around the corner to Cornerstone. The wind here is just too hard to get across to the other side, and the wind's blowing right across my line, so not good. Let's go to the other spot. Whoa, shit, Jesus Christ. Hang on a minute, guys. Things just got worse. Jesus, what the hell? All right, we're going. Gotta beat the sprinklers. See you in a minute. Okay, let's try this spot. I was here last video and I missed one right here because my damn spider wire broke. I had a I guess about 3 or 4 feet up the line, I had a frayed piece and I didn't see it. I always check it, but I must have missed it. And I just hope the fish was able to spit it. That felt like a hit. Yes, that was a hit. He's caught up in the eelgrass. Let's keep him down. Keep him down. There we are. He's not a very big fella. Gotcha. All right. Let's free you up. There we go. Yeah. Look how fat this little dink is. Hey, look how fat this guy is. I mean, this guy's not a year old, but he is a fat little fish. There's the fish test. That shows you how little he is. But that's a good looking, healthy, green colored bass, just living in that eelgrass, ambushing prey. Fish number 2. This is not a good fish. This is a dink, but a fat dink. I love to see them this healthy. It's beautiful. All right, darling, you're going back. Let me just go clean off my hands. Whoa, there's something. It ate it when it hit the water. I didn't even know I had a fish. I think that's a pretty good fish. I got him surfing. Can you see that? Got a pretty good mouth on him. Yes, it is a good fish. Got a good hook set on him. Look at that, came right out. Oh, baby. That's a good fish. That's the kind of fish you want to end the night on. Right there. Look at the mouth. Let's weigh this one. I'm gonna say, what do you think, guys? That's a pretty long fish. I'm gonna say a pound 10 ounce. A pound 8, a pound 10. It's getting so damn dark you can't see it. Pound 7, pound 8, pound 7, pound 8. Yeah, not too shabby. Let's get a quick pick. There we go. I'm gonna take him over on this side of the walk so that he can go right home. All right, darling. There you go. Okay, guys, we ran out of daylight. I was talking to somebody out there. A couple guys were walking their dogs, and I started yakking with them, and I ran out of daylight. So I'm in the car getting ready to leave. We had a great day of fishing. Windy conditions. You just have to be patient. It's hard because your line is bowed so much. It's hard to feel the hits. You just have to use a heavier weight. I went up in weight, and just be patient with it. We end up catching 3 fish, 2 pretty decent ones, and then 1 dink. But it's been crazy, so I don't know how well this is going to come out, but had a great time. Thanks for coming along with me, and I'll see you guys again soon.